As an approver, you will be required to sign off on materials throughout the Smart Approve project as determined by the project owner. When a project owner requests your approval, you will receive an automated email containing a direct link to the project. Alternatively, go to My Tasks on the SmartBrand homepage and click on Projects to Approve. All projects currently awaiting your approval will be listed on your Smart Approve homepage under Projects Requiring Approval. When you have added an approval, the project will move into your filing cabinet should you need to recall it at a later date. Click on the project to approve. The progress bar at the top of the page here shows the stages the project will move through and highlights in green the current stage. You will see a list of project options available to you on the right here. For example, you can add a project message or upload supporting documents, DMC guidelines for instance. Under Invited Users, you can view all current approvers for the project and also add other approvers by clicking on the Add Remove Approvers link. You can only add those approvers aligned to the same market, brand and marketing activity as the project. If you can't find the approver you're looking for, the project owner will need to action this by editing the project setup. You will see a series of thumbnails for each item that requires your approval. You can click on the Add Approval buttons under each of the thumbnails or click View Details to see a larger preview of the uploaded file. On the Preview page, you can add approval under the Asset Options menu. The pop-up box gives you options to both approve or reject materials and leave any comments. You can also choose to make public to the aligned agency your comments. Of course, if your approvals are of a sensitive nature, you may want to keep this between you and the project owner, in which case, do not tick this box. When you have added your approvals and comments for all the items uploaded to the project, click the project title where a pop-up box will appear prompting you to either go back to project or finish reviewing. These are also available under the stage options on the project page. You must ensure when you have completed adding comments or approvals that you select Finish Reviewing, as this will notify your project owner by email that you have added your reviews. If you do not have this option, it may be because the project owner has uploaded an amended version before you've had the chance to add your reviews, or indeed push the project past the stage at which you were invited to approve. If this is the case, you will need to notify the project owner that you have added your approvals. Click on their name here to compose an email. As an approver, you will need to ensure that you assign a deputy who can add approvals on your behalf if you're out of office. This is done in My Profile here. Click into Approve Settings and tick the Out of Office box, ensuring you enter a return date. Please then detail your appointed deputy approver, who must also be registered as an approver and aligned to the same markets, brands and marketing activities as you. You can check your alignments here. To change any alignments or to check your deputy's alignments, you can also contact SmartBrand support. It is essential that you remember to go back into your profile and untick the Out of Office box on your return. Failure to do this will mean that you will not show up as an available approver to project owners. Here are a few key points to remember. You can add further approvers to a project, but they must be aligned to the same market, brand and marketing activity as the project. If you do not want the creative agency to see your comments, do not tick the Make Visible box on the approval pop-up. When you have added all your approvals, please ensure you click Finished Reviewing.